Hello everyone, welcome to Desire UPSC Vlogs. In today's video, we are going to see how to make Tack boards in a very easy and affordable way. But first of all, you have to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update. One need a very basic stationery for it like pencils, scissor, cutter, stapler, measuring tape, chart paper, Fevicol. It's a very basic stationery which anybody can have. First step is to figure out that what length of tack board we require for ourselves. So here I am taking around 100 cm as the length of my tack board, and I am drawing a line, and after it I will be cutting that much amount of thermocol to prepare my tack board. The thermocol which I have chosen is 1 cm thick, so that's why I am taking 2 thermocol pieces in order to make my tack board enough thick so that it can hold papers and I can insert a thumb pin into it. I joined both the thermocols with the help of glue, then kept some of the heavyweight books on it. It's my sister's book. Now I am covering my entire tack board with chart papers with the help of glue. I really wanted a tack board in my study space, but when I checked it cost online, it was pretty costly. It was 1000 to 1500, so I decided to make my own tack board. When I covered entire thermocol with chart papers, then the next step is to cover it with jute paper. The surface which is going on which we are going to paste everything, we are going to pin everything. So here I am just measuring what amount of cloth will be suitable for it. Then I am sticking double-sided tape so that cloth don't move here and there. So double-sided tape is really an easy solution. After it, I also used stapler to add more stability to the jute cloth, and on the reverse side I also applied a lot of glue and stick one more chart paper so that the cloth is properly set. Now tack board is almost ready. Here I am just checking if things are pinning up. Now this is the last step. Here I am just adding frames to my tack board so it gives a lot of good aesthetic look to it. So I just use black papers and I just cut it in the form of frames. I folded it so that it fits perfectly on the edges, and I'm using glue to stick it well. Yes, now the tack board is finally ready and it is looking really pretty and totally functional. Now as our tack board is ready to use, so we just have to stick it on the wall. So for it I'm using foam double-sided tape, and it has a very good adhesive so it can easily stay on the wall. I put double-sided foam tape twice or thrice on all the edges in order to make sure that my tack board doesn't come off from the wall. Make sure that you pull out all the papers on the double-sided foam tape before sticking on the wall, and then just give a little push. It will be stick to your wall. Now the final look is ready. Now our tack board is ready to use, so let's make something so that we can stick it on our tack board. So here I am making some notes which are inspirational, motivational for me. So I'll be sticking this notes on my tack board. And also tack board is really important in the study space according to me, because I really like things in front of my eyes, because it constantly keep on poking me that there are list of things which are left which need to be done. So yes, that's why I really like this idea. And also if you are lazy, you can also stick directly things on the wall, but it can get messy over a period of time. So I found tack board as an idea really good, that we can constantly keep on sticking things, pinning things on it, and after a period of time when our wish list or our target list is achieved, we can simply remove it and we can put a new thing on it, our new targets. So yes, in that way it is really important, and on constantly a lot of things are in front of our eyes, so it always reminds us of our goals, that what things need to be done and what things are left. So it is a good reminder, and this really works for me. I suggest you guys, you must also try this and it will really help you. And lot of people keep on forgetting things, so for such kind of people it's really beneficial. Now everything is ready and we are pinning up things. It's very simple to pin up. You just have to place one hand on the thing which you need to pin and just have to insert the pins, tack pins, or else you can also use stapler and it will be very easy to insert the stapler pins into the tag board. So now almost pinup is done. So this is how the entire study area looks now. It looks really neat and clean as everything is pinned well on the wall, and also it will give a good vibe in order to attract you to your study space, to your study desk. So I really liked it. I also want you guys to try it out. If you find any difficulty in making it, write it in the comment section below. I will try to answer all of those. Create a space and mindset that inspires you to push your limits each and every day till you get your success. On this positive note, I am ending this video. Happy study hours to all. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe it, like my video. If any doubts, then write in the comment section below. Thank you everyone for watching my videos.